friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrency. So before starting this video, please kindly click the subscribe button right now and complete my 2K subscriber. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Now let's see the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies, what's going in the previous 1 hour, what's the changes come in Cardano and the crypto market. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of last 2 hours of Cardano. The change is a positive today as a Cardano day, as I said before videos. As you can see here, the change is positive. 0.84% goes up, and the high price of Cardano cryptocurrencies is $1.2. And as we can see the graph of the Cardano cryptocurrency, so in the middle of last 2 hours they are jumping upward, as you can see here, but now currently they are falls down, as you can see here. So it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. It's the best time to sell it. What's your opinion about Cardano holders? As it a best time to sell it or buy it? Please share your opinion in the comment box of this video. As you can see here, now let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour. What's going in the last 1 hour in the Cardano cryptocurrencies, in the cryptocurrency marketing? It's loading, so kindly click the subscribe button right now and complete my 2K subscriber. As you can see here, in the previous last 1 hour is very bad for all Cardano holders. I'm very sorry for saying this, but this is the reality of Cardano. As you can see here, the change is a negative 0.07% falls down, in the high price of Cardano is same $1.2 is the high price of Cardano. As we see the graph of the Cardano, so it falls down very badly, falls down. So it's a bad news for all Cardano holders. I'm sorry to say that, but unfortunately I have to say that the reality of Cardano. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.